Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Fayaz. I am living in Spain, Cordoba city from last 15 years, and I belong to basically from Jehlam in Pakistan. And here I am working in kebab distribution company, which is owned by my brothers. I am working as a manager and dealing wholesale and exporting, importing. And my hobbies, I love reading all kind of books, and social media I'm using recently, and also teaching some YouTube videos about how to use social media and how to learn Spanish. And I'm making videos as well for Pakistanis who can't speak Spanish, so I'm making lesson in Urdu, how to pass driving tests. I'm looking forward to anyone who want to learn about social media and about Spain and Islamic culture of Spain. I am making some videos and writings on Spanish Islamic history, so you can contact me, ask me. I will be ready to give you any information. Thank you. Bye bye.